Good morning students, welcome back to the mathematics online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will study about multiplication unit 6. We will discuss about multiplication concepts. Let's repeated addition is of the same number. When we have to add the same number by repeated. Okay, so repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. For example, 4 times 2. Okay, let's in our ceiling fan there are 3 wings. Okay, if in our room there are 2 ceiling fans, so how many wings are there? So there are 3 plus 3. 2 times 3. So that is called multiplication. Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Cross, that is a sign of multiplication. Cross is the sign or symbol of the multiplication. That is the sign of multiplication, cross. The answer we get after multiply, when we have to multiply 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So the answer when we have to multiply it, that is called their product. Okay, so when we have to multiply the numbers, so their answer is called product. So we have to, if we have given, find the product, then what will we do? We do multiply the numbers. Properties of multiplication. Let's study about properties of multiplication. There are 3 properties of multiplication. Number 1, multiplying by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the product as the number itself. Product means the multiplication of 2 digits. So when we have to multiply by 1 with any number, when we multiply any number by 1, so we get the product the same number. Okay, any number multiplied by 1 gives the product same number. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. So if we have given the product 6 is equal to the number, so what should we multiply with? We have multiplied by 1. Okay, so this is the property of first property of multiplication. Second property of multiplication, let's study about. Second property of multiplication is multiplying by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 gives the product 0. If we multiply by 0 any number, so that gives a 0. 4 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Or if we have given the product 0, so we have to multiply the number by 0. Come to the third property of multiplication, order in multiplication. So when we have to change their order, so the product is same. On changing the order of the numbers being multiplied, the product remains the same. For example, 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. If we have to change their order, means in the place of 2 and in the place of 4 we have to write here 2, and in the place of 4 we have to write 2, we have to write here 4. Okay, means 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. So the product will be same. Find the product using tables. So students, what is a multiplication? Multiplications are tables. So we have to solve these sums by multiplication table. For example, 5 fours are. So to do the sums of multiplication, you have to learn the tables. Okay, so 5 fours are 20. 6 sevens are 42. 9 threes are 27. Very good. You have to learn the tables by heart, beta. If you have not learned the table, you cannot do the sums of multiplication. These are the based on tables. 8 tens are very good. 8 tens are 80. Okay, so we have to solve this sum using tables. Let's come to the next topic. Write the multiplication fact. So we have to write the multiplication. We have to given 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Two groups of 3 balls. Okay. So we have given how many groups are there? 1 group, 2 group means 2 times. So we have to write here 2 times. And how many balls in each group? There are 3 balls in each group. The number should be same. So 3. So 2 3s are 6. That is our multiplication fact. 1 time 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. These numbers should be same, and this is called the repeated addition. So how many times the repeated addition? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 4 times 6. So 4 6 are 24. Okay, that is called the multiplication fact. Come to the next topic. Write in repeated addition. We have given the multiplication table, and now let's do the repeated addition. Means 3 times 5. Okay. So firstly we have to count it 3 times. So 1 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5. Okay beta. Firstly that is tie 3 times. Second is we have to add this number 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. Okay beta, let's do the second question. That is, you have to read about 4 times 7. What should you say? 4 times 7. 3 times 5. 3 times 5. 4 times 6. 4 times 6. 2 times 3. So let's 4 times 7. 1 times 7. 2 times 7. 3 times 7. 4 times 7. So 4 sevens are 28. You have to learn the table. Okay, come to the next question. Using the number line, find the product. So we have to find the product using number line. Okay, we have given 6 times 3. You have to read out 6 times 3. So we have to learn the table of 3. First jump is on 3. Like 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. You have to put an arrow like this. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. And 3 sixes are 18. So how many times are there? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So our answer is 18. We have to write the answer here, 18. 6 threes are 18. Let's do the next example. 5 times 4. We read 5 times 4. So the first down is on 4. 1 time, 2 times. So you have to put an arrow, okay beta, like this, and you have to jump 4 as 4. 4s, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Okay, counting by 4s. In this question you have to counting by 3s, and in this question you have to counting by 4s. And how many times? 5 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So the answer is 20. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 5 times 4. Okay beta, let's do the next question. Let's do find the product. Product means beta multiplication. Product means multiplication. We have given 24 multiply by 2. We have given 24 multiply by 2. So firstly we have to arrange in column like this. 24, 2 tens, 4 ones. Multiply by 2. 2 tens, 4 1 multiply by 2. So friends, let's start the question. Firstly we have to multiply the number with the ones digit. Our ones digit is 4. 2 fours are 8. Okay, firstly we have to multiply by ones digit. After that we have to multiply by the tens digit. Tens digit is 2. 2 twos are 4. Our product is 48. Come to the next question. 31 multiply by 3. We have to read it. 31 multiply by 3. Firstly arrange in column. 3 tens, 1 ones. Multiply by 3. So friends, remember, firstly we have to multiply by the ones digit. The ones digit is 1. 3 ones are 3. Now we have to multiply by the tens digit. Our tens digit is 3. 3 threes are 9. Come to the next. 26 multiply by 3. So firstly we have to arrange in column 2 tens, 6 ones. Multiply by 3. Okay, firstly we have to multiply by the ones digit. Our ones digit is 6. 3 6 are. When we have to multiply here, so we have to find 18. That is a 2 digit number. So that is on ones place and 1 is on tens place. So the tens digit is carry over the tens place like this. And the ones digit we have to write here in that ones place. So with 3 6 are 18. You have to write 18 like this. 8 carry 1. Now we have to multiply the tens digit. We have already given the tens digit is 2. 3 twos are 6. Then add carry 6 plus 1 7. Okay students. So our product is 78. Come to the next question. 23 multiply by 5. Firstly we have to arrange in column 2 tens, 3 ones. Multiply by 5 like that. So firstly we have to multiply by the ones digit. 5 threes are 15. We have to write here 15 like this. No, that is wrong. We have to 1 carry on the tens place. That is a right. Okay, this is a right method. 5 threes are 15. You have to 15 like this. 5 carry 1 on the tens digit. Now we have to multiply by the tens digit. That is already given in our question. 2. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10 plus 1 11. So we have to mention one box 100. Okay beta. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 111. 100 and 5 to the 10 plus 1, 111. 115 is our product. 115. Come to the next. So we have to arrange one extra column in this question because we have given the 100 place. After multiplying we have got the 100 place beta. Okay, we have to write here 100 like this. 42 multiply by 3. Firstly we have to arrange in column. 42 multiply by 3. So firstly we have to multiply the ones digit. The ones digit is 2. 3 twos are 6. This is only one digit number, so we have to write here only ones place. Now we have to multiply by the tens digit. 3 fours are 12. Okay beta. Come to the next 80. Firstly we have to arrange in column 80 multiply by 6. So remember the property of multiplication. When we have multiplied by 0 any number, multiplied by 0, the product is 0. जब हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then we get 0. And 6 8s are 48. So our answer is 480. Come to the next question. 64 multiplied by 5. So you have given 64 multiplied by 5. So let's change into the 3 columns. Ones, tens and 100. Okay beta. That is ones, tens and 100. Like that. Right? Let's revise the next question. We have to arrange 3 columns. Ones, tens, 100. Okay beta. So firstly we have to arrange the number in the column. Like that. 64 multiplied by 5. Okay. Firstly we have to multiply by the ones digit. 5 fours are 20. Yes. 2 is carry. We have to write here 0. 20. In 20 2 is on the tens place and 0 is on the ones place. Now we have to multiply by the tens digit. Tens digit is 6. 5 6 are 30. Then add carry. 30 plus 2 32. Come to the next. Arrange in column 83. Multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15. How do we write the 15? Like that. 1 is on the tens place and 5 is on the ones place. Now we have to multiply by the tens digit. That is 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1 41. Remember you have to add carry with multiplication. Now arrange the column 203. Multiply by 3. So student, firstly multiply by the ones digit. 3 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0. Then we have to multiply by the 100 digit. 3 2s are 6. Our answer is 609. Come to the next. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So firstly we have to multiply by the ones digit. 2 1s are 2. Then tens digit. 2 2s are 4. Then 100 digit. 424. When we multiply any number by 0, then we get 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. Then 4 2s are 8. Answer is 800. Firstly multiply by the ones digit. 9. Then tens digit. 3 1s are 3. Then 100 digit. 3 3s are 9. Answer is 939. Students, you have to revise this chapter with the help of the video and learn the concepts and the properties of multiplication. Okay students, let's see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.